All right, today we're gonna bring a light, and this is a light fixture for outdoors. It has a motion sensor, day to night mode. All right, we're gonna take a look at it and see what's included. So out of the box, everything's already assembled. You don't have to worry about the actual assembling the glass. Everything's in there. It's well secure when it's packed in. All you got to do is make sure you add your own light bulb in here. The back end is a simple part to install. It's just basically two screws holding the whole system up. You got to drill in your actual back end. Now this one takes ground, hot, and neutral. That's pretty much what you got to worry about. And then the glass itself, it's all base in there. All right, beautiful finish that it has, a black tone, kind of like brass color edges that you see. So we're gonna test it out and see how well it works at night too, and how the motion sensor works. So let's go ahead and test it out and see how it works. So we're gonna go ahead and set these up. Put the screws in here. We're gonna put in the light bulb and test it out. All right, we got it turned on right now. So we put in our own light bulb in here. Sensor's working very well right now. As soon as dark hits, we're gonna set this up again and make sure it works. If you guys notice, I just passed right in front of it. It turns on. It dims down first and then it turns on. So we're gonna set it up on a dark environment so you guys can see how bright it is. I'm gonna put it about 7 to 8 feet tall. All right. Okay, after a couple minutes, it dims down like that. And any movement, it shines up again. Lantern looks beautiful outdoors. Great setting if you're gonna put it in your front yard, backyard, outdoor graded, glass all around, 60 watts light bulb you can set up. Very simple. And if you guys can see, it just turned off completely. And there you go. Hope you guys enjoy the video.